Hello guys, welcome back to Lan App. For today's video, we are going to show you how to show collection banner in full width on Team in Shopify. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So usually if you want to show your collection banner, usually you just need to go to your products, go to collections here, and access one of them. You need to basically upload them in here and just make sure to click on save. So once you edit this, so just give you an idea. So you go to online store, go to teams, and click on customize. Now, usually if you want to show your collection banner, you want to go to your collection page first. So you want to go to home page, very top here, choose collections. You want to go choose default collection. And in here, when you click on this one and turn on the show collection image option here, this will show you your actual collection image, which in this case, let's go and save this so that I can show you. So in this case, once I reload this one, you should see the banner for it. But as you can see, it's quite small. So how do we fix that? So you want to go and go back here. Now the great thing about the collection page here is you can still add different sections, which is something really cool. So you can go and click on add section, and you could just basically add a banner or like image banner here, which is something really simple. So you could just press and hold on this one. So make sure that it's at the very top here. You could go ahead and click on collection banner here and turn on or turn off show collection image. Now from here, once in the image banner is available, you just basically upload your own image here. Click on select the image that you want to use as your banner. Click on done. And for also, if you want to do this automatically, what you could do is let's go and basically remove a few things here. So in this case, go and click on change. You could go and click on connect dynamic source here, and you can basically create your own meta field here just in case. You could go and choose image. So yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So currently, this is the only way that we could do this on Shopify right now if you want to add like a really big banner for it. So unless you get like a developer to do this for yourself, because you need to touch the background or the background code for this one. But yeah, so this is the easiest way that we could do right now. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe. See you later. Thank you for watching.